Alright, so first thing you're going to do is power on your VM. And this VM is already configured to install from the Windows 11 boot media. Alright, we can go ahead and do next, and then Windows R, troubleshoot, command prompt, regedit. And we're going to go to local machine, system, and then expand setup. Create a new key under setup. We're going to call it lab config. And then in here, we're going to create a new D word. We're going to call it bypass TPM check. Set it to 1. Create another one called bypass RAM check. Set it to 1 as well. And then one more 32-bit D word, and it's going to be bypass secure boot check. And also set it to 1. So it looks like this. And then we can close this, and then we'll run setup again. And you'll notice that the setup GUI is now a different color from the one that runs by default, which is kind of funny. It's like the setup calls a newer version. So we can do next. I don't have a product key. Choose our edition and accept the terms. And next. Custom, next. And we're golden. That's it.